Hey students, welcome to our social science class. So we are doing block 19.4 traveling by train. So in this block we'll be learning about we have the language, food, clothing of people and landforms that change as we travel by train. Okay, the keyword route means the path you follow to go from one place to another. So here in this video we have an activity. So you find the map of India in your atlas. A train is traveling from Amritsar in Punjab to Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala and passes through Jaipur in Rajasthan and Mumbai in Maharashtra. So find places the train will pass through on a map of India and atlas and mark the route. Okay, from Punjab to Thiruvananthapuram, from Amritsar in Punjab to Thiruvananthapuram, the train is traveling. So in your atlas, you check what are the places that the train will come across. Okay, what the train will pass through, and write down the names of these places. What kind of landform would the train come across the route? Okay, whether it is plains or whether it is a desert or whether it is a beautiful landscape, that you have to write down. Now let us watch this video.
The Dwarka Express travels between Puri in Odisha and Oka in Gujarat. The train could pass by beautiful landscapes, go through a metal bridge, before finally reaching Gujarat, and tunnels before finally reaching Gujarat.
How would the physical features change from one place to another as the train travels from Amritsar to Thiruvananthapuram? The train would pass over the plains, part of a desert region, the coastal plains, and the western Ghats. When traveling from Jaipur to Mumbai, the train will move towards the coast so we may see the sea. Between Mumbai and Thiruvananthapuram, we may be traveling close to the western Ghats. So, the cities that the train passed through were Amritsar, Jaipur, Mumbai, Thiruvananthapuram. Language spoken in Amritsar, Punjabi, Jaipur, Marwari, and Mumbai, Marathi, Thiruvananthapuram, language Malayalam. The food eaten in Amritsar or Punjab is samosa and kachori in Jaipur, and in Mumbai, pav bhaji, Thiruvananthapuram, dosa. These are the snacks that are available, right? And landforms in Amritsar, wheat field and plains. In Jaipur, dry and slightly barren land. And in Mumbai, plains and sea. In Thiruvananthapuram, flat plains, beaches, coconut trees, very beautiful scenery. Why do language Why do language, food, and clothing change at different railway stations? At every railway station, one may see people wearing clothes of that region. They may find the local food of that state. They may also hear different languages. This is because India is a diverse country and therefore we see many different people and food in the different railway stations. Diverse means it has various forms of languages, the way people wear dresses. Okay, and what else can we come across on a train journey? We can come across railway crossings where rail tracks cross with roads. We can pass through tunnels. What are tunnels? Tunnels are built through mountains or hills to make it possible for trains to travel through them. Tunnels help us to travel through the mountains and hills. We can travel over a bridge to cross a river. Now open your worksheet, put today's date. This is 19.4 traveling by train. This is a map of Karma Bhumi Express which travels between Mumbai in Maharashtra and Guwahati in Assam. Look at the map and answer the questions. So on the map they gave you one route, train route, okay, from Mumbai to Assam. What what would we stop as we move from Mumbai? Tick the correct option. So at Mumbai we can see the sea, so put a tick to B1. Second question, while traveling between Mumbai and Guwahati, the train passes through Howrah railway station in West Bengal. Which language are we mostly like to hear at Howrah railway station? It is the language Bengali. Write Bengali. Second question B. Write one thing you would see at Howrah station. We can see the metal bridge. And question 3. Why do we need tunnels along a railway track? Tunnels help us to travel through the mountains and hills, to move through the mountains and hills. Right? So now open your content book and answer the questions. Which landform will you see from the window if you travel by train in Uttarakhand? Tick the option A, mountains. Second question, Jacob is traveling by train between Gujarat and Rajasthan. What is he likely to see from the train window? Okay, a desert. Okay, Jacob will see a desert through the rail window because Gujarat and Rajasthan, they have this barren land and deserts there. Third question, imagine that you and your family went on railway journey. Write a letter to your friend and telling them about what you saw. So this answer you write it in your social science classwork. So to my dear friend, write your friend's name. So imagine that you went on a train journey. What were the different steps? How did you plan the train journey? What did you see in the compartment? Out of the train window, what did you see? What places did you see? How was the your train journey at the end? All this you write and you show me. Okay, read the lesson from the content book, complete your worksheet as well as practice questions. Do the homework. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.